So question number 6, here is part of number sequence. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The sequence continues in same way. Write the next odd number in the sequence. So next number is going to be 30 and after that it is 35. As you can see, there is a difference of 5 here. So the odd number is going to be 35, right? Now Lily says the 12th number in the sequence will be odd. So we need to see is she correct or not. So 12th number, so there are 5 numbers. Next number is going to be 30, 35, 40, then 45. Just take difference of 5, then 55 and 60. So 60 is the 12th number now, which is not an odd number. So she is not correct. We will say that 60 is not an odd number, right? Now next one, here is a rectangle drawn on 1 centimeter grid. So that 1 centimeter grid is here. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So if we have to count the number of number of dots, like to count the length of the rectangle. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 here. So 7 will be on other side, and this side we have 3 and 3. So the perimeter is going to be 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 and 10, it is 20 centimeters, right? So perimeter is the length all around the shape. Now this chart shows the lowest daily temperature recorded in a week. On how many days was the temperature lower than 7 degree? So lower than 7 degree is here -11, 9, 8, and then we have again 9 and 8. So they are 5 days when the temperature is lower than -7. Okay. Now number 9, here are 4-digit cards. We have 3, 4, 5 and 7. Use each card once. We are just using once to make the total of 10. So as you know, if we add 7 plus 3, it is going to be 10, right? And 4 plus is 9, 5 is 9. Then we can make this like here 3 and 7 can come under here. 3 plus 7 is 10. So then there will be 1 this carry from here this side. So other we have 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, it is 10. So we already have here decimal, so we can write it down here. 4.3 plus 5.7, that makes it answer equals to 10, right? Now calculate the size of angle x. Size of angle x we have here. You see this is a straight line, okay, and the angle on straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 124 will give us the value of x. 10 minus 7, 4 is 6. So this one is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the final answer is 56 degrees. Okay. Now let's see what is next. We have number 11 here. The 17 point. Write 17 divided by 5 as a mixed number. 5 times 3, it is 15, remainder is 2. So to write, make sure how do you write. So you see remainder is here in the numerator, it will remain in the numerator. 5 times 3, 3 will come here, and when you divide, it is the remainder should always go up here. So 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. So we are going to write down 3 2 over 5 over here. Now the next question we have here, measure the length of line in millimeters. So I'm just leaving it for you guys. So you are going to measure this from here to here and let me know how much is your answer in the comment section. Okay.